Hey guys, how's it going? Just trying to understand reverse linked list. So the problem is given the head of a singly linked list, reverse the list, and return the reversed lists. And so here's it with a bunch of numbers. But I think it's easier to understand if you look at just two numbers at the same time. Okay, so at first you're given the head. Head is the value of 1 and it's pointing towards 2. Now we're going to create a dummy node set to null. So let's see, we got something like this. And now we got a node. So this is node and it is null. And so while the head is not null, then we do stuff. And once the head becomes null, we just return the node. And the node is going to be pointing towards stuff. So we have two temporary staging values. So node and temp are very important. Those are like our staging ground where we get something ready. So we're getting it ready to be moved. So at first we have 1, 2, and null. And so the first time we go around in the while loop, temp is going to be equal to 2. And head.next is going to be equal to null. So 1 is going to point to null. And node is going to be equal to the head. So node is going to be equal to the head. So node is equal to 1 pointing towards null. That's the head. Okay. And head is going to be equal to the temp variable, which is 2. So now we have 2 pointing towards null. So head is going to be this. And node is 1 pointing towards null. And then we go around again. And temp is head.next, which is null. So this will be the final time we do the while loop. So head.next is null. Node is equal to head. So I don't know. Node is updated to point to the head. So 2 pointing to 1 pointing to null. And then head is equal to temp. And temp is head.next, which we said was null. So temp equals null. And head equals temp, so head becomes null. And so we return node, which is 2 pointing to 1 pointing to null. Okay.